There's a lot we can notice by looking at this vessel. It's orange, it's made of clay, and it looks like a person. But have you ever considered what it might sound like? What about this vase? Or this storage jar? Sound is invisible, and yet it's all around us. So what's going on here? What exactly is a sound anyway? In 2019, an artist named Oliver Beer chose objects from the Met collection and placed microphones inside them. The result? A symphony made from jars, vases, and jugs. He called it Vessel Orchestra. To understand how he transformed these silent objects into musical instruments, let's look at how a violin works. Whoa. Let's take a step back. When the bow glides across the strings, it creates a vibration.
Vibrations bounce around inside the body of the instrument, shaking up particles in the air. We call these sound waves.
Even though we can't see sound waves, we know they all have different shapes. A deeper or low-frequency sound looks like this, while a high-frequency sound looks more like this.
Once the sound waves reach our ears, they travel through the ear canal all the way to the eardrum.
The eardrum. Yup, just like that kind of drum.
Vibrations generated by the eardrum travel through to the inner ear. There, they turn into electrical signals that send a message to the brain.
And that message is sound. Now that we've got that covered, how does the Vessel Orchestra work? Well, remember how the vibration bounced around inside the body of the violin? That same thing is happening here. They may not have strings, but remember, there is sound all around us. These sounds bounce around or resonate inside the objects. Each object's unique shape and size allows it to resonate at a different frequency. Think about the sound you hear when you hold a conch shell up to your ear. Powerful microphones pick up on these sounds and amplify them so we can hear it louder. When played together, we've got our orchestra. So you see, anything can be an instrument, really. You've just got to remember to listen up for those good vibrations.